Escape to the untouched beauty of Kosi Bay Ocean View. Perched high on a sand dune overlooking the Indian Ocean, Kosi Bay Mouth, and the iSimangaliso World Heritage Site, this private coastal retreat offers luxury, adventure, and complete privacy. Stay in Villa 1 for up to 7 guests. Villa 2A and 2B, sleeping 4 and 7 guests. With an optional ocean view campsite for 6, or choose the luxury safari tent for 6 guests. Every option features air-conditioned ensuite bedrooms, private braai and boma areas, and access to breathtaking ocean views and sparkling pools. Snorkel, kayak, hike, explore secluded beaches, and watch unforgettable sunsets. Book your stay where luxury meets wilderness on South Africa's most pristine coastline.